As part of the Windows 11 update rollout, the Paint app is getting at least 4 significant features, and every one of those is powered by AI, including layers, support for transparency, Cocreator, and the ability to remove backgrounds. Let's look at those cool features. Finally, the Paint app is getting an update that integrates the DALL-E AI technology that allows you to turn a description and words into an image. If this feature sounds familiar, it's because this is the same technology that you will find in the Bing chat to create images with AI. You can get started by clicking the Co-Creator button. In the prompt box, type a description of the image you want, choose from one of the available style options, and click the Create button. The more descriptions you add to your prompt, the more accurate the image will be. In Paint, you can now add, remove, and manage layers for the canvas of the image. Using layers, you can stack multiple images on top of each other, allowing you to edit different parts of your image without affecting the other parts. You can now get started with layers by opening the Paint app on Windows 11 and clicking the Layers button in the command bar. On the right, you can start working on the canvas using tools, brushes, shapes, and colors, or opening an image you want to use as a background. Once you're done editing the first layer, click the plus button on the right or use the Ctrl plus Shift plus N keyboard shortcut to create additional layers. If you right-click a layer, the context menu will give you different options, including the ability to show or hide, duplicate, and delete the layer. When completing the part of the image that includes different layers, you can use the Merge Down option to combine those layers into one. Although there is no Unmerge button, you can click the Undo button to revert the changes. Although you have been able to view and edit .png files on Paint, it will always save the image with a white background when editing file with a transparency background. However, the newest update of the app includes support for images with transparency. In another word, this means that the next time you open a transparent .png file, you will notice a checkerboard patterns on the canvas, indicating the portion of the image with a transparency. Furthermore, when deleting a portion of a canvas, you will end up with a transparency instead of a white section. The Paint app now also includes the ability to remove the background of an image with a single click using AI. You can get started with this feature by launching the Paint app and opening an image with a subject and a background. And then you have 2 ways to remove the background. The first option is to click the Remove Background button from the command bar. As part of the process, the app will use AI to detect elements on the image and remove the background. If you only want to remove part of the background, use the selection tool from the command bar to select the region and then click the Remove Background button. And those were the 4 significant features I wanted to show you in this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.